only for your pleasure. If you are not angry, then everything is acceptable to me. Then there is no complaint. But what I am afraid of is your anger, your displeasure. This should not happen out of displeasure. I turn to you and I pray and beg of you to save me from this, to keep me under your own protection, and don't relegate me to all this. Although I am ready, but I want otherwise. He said, O Lord of the light, in the name of your brilliant face, which enlightens the entire universe, the heavens and the earth alike, and all darkness is turned into brilliance and light. What I seek you in this name, only your forgiveness, only your favor, that you never be angry with me. That's the ultimate I ask of you. Of course, you have every right to punish me and anyone else. Punish me, but not with anger, please. For trial maybe, but never with displeasure. If I don't have you, I have nothing. Without you, there is nothing left in me, nothing left for me. So this is the prayer which the Jamaat should beg of Allah for all the suffering Ahmadis in the world and for all the suffering humanity at the hands of perpetrators of crime and cruelty. The ultimate is this, prayer of Allah. Remember this. Beg for whatever you may, but also continue to remind yourself and add this into your prayer that Allah, we want the best of you. But if worst must come, it must come with your pleasure, or it will be unbearable for us.